Hey, it's Nick over here at Parkside Kia. I'm going to show you a tutorial today how to use your smart lift gate and your power lift gate. So we'll get right into that. So what I'm doing right now is I'm turning on my power lift gate through my menu settings. You go to the menu settings, you go to door, and you can turn on your power lift gate. You can mess with your power lift gate speed, how fast you want it to open and close, and also I'm turning on my smart lift gate. Right here with our power lift gate is very easy. Instead of having to come under here and physically opening it, you can just hold your key fob and then it will lift up for you. Very easy, hands-free. And then when we get under here, it's very easy to just hit this and it'll close as well, or you always can use your key fob and hold that and it'll close as well. I'm going to show you how the smart lift gate works. Like, you know, if we were in a grocery store, we had our hands full, or we're pushing a buggy, only thing you have to do is come up close right here, no keys, and what it will do, it will automatically open up for you. You just take a step back, and then it's very simple. You can put your groceries and stuff in here, and then when you're done, you just hit the electronic button up there, and then it'll close.